You will receive 61 cents for watching one video. The second video will net you 32 cents for watching it. You will receive 47 cents for watching the third video, and so on. Additionally, by using the secret technique demonstrated in this video, you can earn $2.48 per minute while watching YouTube videos anywhere in the world. Stick with me and I'll show you how to upgrade this into almost $25 per minute. And at the conclusion of this video, I'll also show a bonus technique that will enable you to earn $600 per day in pure passive income by using this new website I'm about to show you. Hello and welcome to The Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be among the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Therefore, the first step is to visit this website where you may make money online by watching YouTube videos. I'll tell you the name of this website in a second, but first let me show you how it functions. Firstly, you can earn $1 per referral when someone joins the site using your link. Secondly, you can watch videos like commercial ads, YouTube videos, movies, and TV shows on this site. You will need to have a minimum amount of earnings in your account before you can transfer the money to your bank account, PayPal account, or one of the other withdrawal options offered here. This website has worked with over 1,500 brands, including those featured here, to continuously provide you with new videos. What website is this? The name of the website is WinTub, so go ahead and type that on your browser right now. If you're interested, you can learn more about this website by selecting the About Us link in the top right corner of the page. Otherwise, click the Sign Up button over here to begin using this website. You will then be prompted to enter your first and last names, birthday, gender, email address, and password. Make sure to click the Create Account button after you have completed the CAPTCHA. As you can see, my account has received a $5 sign-up bonus, which is fantastic. Let me now show you how we can add even more funds to our accounts. As you can see, there are 5 videos available for us to view, and we can begin with the first one. We will receive 61 cents for watching the video that is currently playing on the screen. So let's click on the play button for this video right away. We'll see an advertisement, so we'll just close it and click on the play button once more. The video will begin to play, but we are not required to watch it in its entirety. As the video plays, keep an eye out for the countdown timer that displays the amount of time left. We'll just watch it for a short while. When the allotted time has passed, we simply click the complete button underneath the video. A new advertisement will then be displayed. We will simply close it and click the complete button once more. After that, a note stating successfully accomplished, you have got 61 cents will appear in our dashboard. All that is left to do is to force a page refresh for the cash to appear in our account. I want you to repeat the procedure for videos 2, 3, 4, and 5. Click on the second video, you'll see an advertisement again. Close it, then click the play button once more. The video will begin to play. Wait a few seconds for it to finish. Then simply click the complete button underneath the video. We will then be presented with a new advertisement. We will simply close it and hit the complete button once more. You must have noticed that you were only allowed to watch 5 videos in a 24-hour period. So if you click on the first or second video again, it will inform you that it will be accessible again in 24 hours. Don't worry though, I'll show you how to continue earning $2.48 per minute with these 5 videos. The second step is to open multiple accounts on this website. You may make 5 to 10 accounts. For instance, a single account will give you 61 cents, 32 cents, 47 cents, 52 cents, and 56 cents for a grand total of $2.48. If you have 10 accounts, you will easily and quickly earn a total of $24.80 in less than a minute. If you don't have several email addresses, don't worry. This additional tip will let you create multiple accounts. Let me show you something quickly, but first let me log out of my account. Then by clicking on sign up again, we may begin the process of making a new account. You can now just input an alternative first name, last name, birthday, and gender on the next page. Here is what you need to do when we get to the email address box. You can input another email, or if you have only one email address, just add a period and it will be accepted automatically. Actually, wherever on the email address, here, or even here can have a dot. The good thing about this is that any email sent to the email variations I just showed you will be sent to the original email address. All of these variations will be accepted. The third step is to go to the upper right corner of your account, hover your mouse over it, and then choose the referral option to earn $600 in pure passive income. From there, we will be directed to this website where you can see that you will receive $1 for each referral that registers using your link. Let me now reveal the hidden bonus technique you can use to attract thousands of new users to your website who will sign up using your referral link, allowing you to earn $600 per day in completely passive income. Let's head over to facebook.com from this stage and type Make Money Online into the search bar before pressing enter. Let's now move down a little and click on the groups option from here, then click on public groups directly here. Finding different public groups that anyone may join will be made easier thanks to this. The good news is that we don't need anyone's permission to join these groups, so we can easily join any one of them. For instance, if I click on this group over here, I'll be transported to this page where I can see several posts with different offers to make money online. All you have to do is write a post encouraging people to sign up. Therefore, if just 600 of the thousands of members of this group decide to sign up using your referral link, you will easily earn $600 every day on wintub.com. Let me now display the most effective method for posting our referral link in this group to Facebook. So let me click here and then post. I made $80 from this site by simply watching ads. It's completely free, just comment below with how and I'll send you the information. Let's look for Wintub proof of payment on Google to find the image, then pick the images option here. Since we mentioned a payment of $80 in our post, let's choose this image right here with the amount of $80 as payment proof among all the ones that have the payment evidence from Wintub. Save this image to your computer, then return to Facebook and click this to attach the image you just saved, giving the post the appearance you see here. Repeating this process in various online Facebook groups will earn you a lot of money over time. And all you need to do to withdraw your earnings from this website is hover your mouse over here once more and choose the withdraw option. You will then be directed to this page where you can see that there are essentially 4 alternatives available to you for withdrawing your money. $100 is the minimum threshold limit for Western Union, $80 for PayPal, $80 for Web Money, and $80 for Payoneer. And all you need to do is click the withdraw button once you reach the threshold limit. If you continuously use both of the techniques described in this video, you will receive the money in your account quickly, and making $80 is extremely simple. That's it for today. If this video was helpful, please click the like button. If you want to learn more about how to earn more money online, please subscribe to my channel. And also don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching The Money Hustle. I'll see you in the next video.